Best small car for 2025 to 2023 Kia Rio. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, the 2023 Kia Rio stands out as the best small car for 2025, offering an impressive blend of affordability, practicality, and modern features. With its sleek design, efficient performance, and advanced technology, the Rio has become a top contender in the compact car segment, appealing to a wide range of drivers. Efficient performance. The 2023 Kia Rio is powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 120 horsepower and 113 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, which ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience. The Rio's fuel efficiency is a notable highlight, with an EPA estimated 33 miles per gallon in the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an excellent choice for drivers seeking cost-effective daily transportation. The Rio's handling is characterized by its nimble and agile nature, thanks to its compact size and well-tuned suspension system. The steering is responsive, and the ride quality is comfortable, making it well-suited for both urban commuting and longer highway trips. Modern and stylish design. The 2023 Rio features a modern and stylish design that sets it apart in the compact car market. Its sleek lines, bold front grille, and refined headlights give it a contemporary and sporty appearance. The rear of the vehicle is highlighted by distinctive taillights and a subtle rear spoiler, adding to its dynamic look. Inside, the Rio offers a well-designed and functional cabin that emphasizes comfort and practicality. The interior features high-quality materials and an ergonomic layout, with a focus on user-friendly technology. The standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with smartphones for navigation, music, and communication. Advanced safety features. The 2023 Kia Rio is equipped with a range of advanced safety features designed to enhance driver confidence and protect occupants. Standard safety technologies include forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. These features work together to provide a comprehensive safety net, ensuring a secure driving experience. The Rio also offers available options such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, further enhancing its safety capabilities. These advanced systems contribute to a more informed and safer driving experience, making the Rio a top choice for safety-conscious buyers. Market impact and availability. The 2023 Kia Rio has been well received for its combination of value, efficiency, and modern features. Its competitive pricing, combined with its impressive fuel economy and safety features, makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers and those seeking a reliable small car. Available at Kia dealerships nationwide, the 2023 Rio continues to capture the interest of drivers looking for an affordable and well-rounded compact car. Its blend of style, efficiency, and advanced technology ensures it remains a standout choice in the small car segment. Conclusion. The 2023 Kia Rio emerges as the best small car for 2025, offering a compelling mix of affordability, efficiency, and modern features. With its stylish design, efficient performance, and advanced safety technologies, the Rio provides an exceptional driving experience that meets the needs of diverse drivers. As a top contender in the compact car market, the Rio delivers value and practicality, making it a standout choice for the upcoming year.